How to update your Wi-Fi driver in Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So before getting into the process, first what we will have to do is find our Wi-Fi driver name. To do so, go to settings. Then go to network and internet. After that, go to Wi-Fi. And then go to hardware properties. After that, you will see the name of your driver. Now remember it. After that, go to search and then go to device manager. Now you will have to find network adapters. Tap on it. After that, you will find your network adapter, Wi-Fi driver. Simply right click and then you will have an option of update driver. Simply click on it and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.